Hello everyone, welcome back to math class. So today under real analysis we are going to learn about a sandwich theorem or squeeze theorem. So in previous video we have seen what is uniqueness of a limit of a sequence. So here sandwich theorem, what does it states? If Sn, Tn, Un or any three sequences, okay, then Un is a sequence which lies between Sn and Tn, where n is greater than or equal to k, where k is any natural number or k is any positive integer. Then what will be the second condition? Limit of Sn and limit of Tn is equal to L. Means limit of a sequence Sn and limit of a sequence Tn are same, then the limit of the sequence Un also L. Okay, so overall here we have taken three sequences Sn, Tn and Un, where Un is a sequence which lies between Sn and Tn. Okay, when a sequence Un is bounded between the two other sequences, then how we will say the limit of Un is L? When the limit of the sequences Sn and limit of sequence Tn are same. When these sequences limits are same, then the sequence Un limit also same limit L. Okay, so this is what stated by the theorem, sandwich theorem. Okay, this is what we need to prove here. So let us go into the proof. So let us suppose that whatever he has given in the statement, ఫస్ట్ అది రాసేసుకోండి. స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఇచ్చింది ఫస్ట్ మనం రాసేసుకోవాలి. లెట్ Sn, Tn, Un ఆర్ ఎనీ త్రీ సీక్వెన్సెస్ సచ్ దట్, ఎలా ఉన్నాయి ఈ త్రీ సీక్వెన్సెస్ కూడా, Un లైస్ బిట్వీన్ Sn అండ్ Tn. ద సీక్వెన్స్ Un లైస్ బిట్వీన్ Sn అండ్ Tn వేర్ n is greater than or equal to k. n is greater than or equal to k. So k is here a natural number. Okay, so let us come to the point. Let for each epsilon greater than 0, limit of the sequence Sn is L. So here we have to take the limit of Sn as L. So by limit of a sequence definition or the convergent sequence definition, what we know, for each epsilon greater than 0, there exists m1, a natural number m1 such that mod Sn minus L less than epsilon for n greater than or equal to m1. So by definition of convergence, what we can write? So mod Sn minus L less than epsilon. So దీని అర్థం ఏంటి? We can write it as Sn lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon. Okay, if you take out mod, we can write Sn as Sn lies between L minus epsilon. What does it mean? Sn belongs to L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon. Okay, so for all n greater than or equal to m1. So let us take the sequence Tn. So here limit of a sequence Tn is also L. He has given in the second condition of the theorem statement. So if limit of a sequence Tn is equal to L as n tends to infinity, then we are writing by here Tn sequence is converges to L. What does it mean? Tn, the sequence Tn is converges to L. అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? బై కన్వర్జెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సీక్వెన్స్ డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం మనం ఏం రాయొచ్చు? ఫర్ ఈచ్ ఎప్సిలాన్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0, దేర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఎ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్ m2 సచ్ దట్ mod Tn minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m2. Okay, this is what the condition take place by the definition of convergence of a sequence. So ఇప్పుడు what does it mean? You take out the mod. So you can write Tn as Tn lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m2. So you take this as equation 3. So total we have three equations, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So let us observe here n is any positive integer or n is a natural number. So here what we are fixing n as, here n greater than or equal to k, and it is also greater than or equal to m1, it is also greater than or equal to m2. So we have to take our n as, we have to fix what is m, we have to fix our positive integer m as maximum of all these three positive integers, that is m1, m2 and k. Among all these three numbers, which will be the maximum, that we are taking as m. Okay, so this is what we have to fix out first. Next, from equation 1, 2, 3, what we can write here? Yes, here Sn lies between L minus epsilon to L plus epsilon. Tn, our sequence Tl also lies between these two, and here Un is lies between Sn and Tn. So here from these two equations we can write it as Sn less than or equal to Un less than or equal to Tn. Okay, this is what the condition we have taken here. So overall, when Sn, Tn or lies between these two values, the between sequence of Sn and Tn also lies between these two sequences, these 2 points. So what I can write from this? Yes, Un also lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon. Okay, so finally from this line what we can conclude, that mod Un minus L less than epsilon. If you take out this inequality, what we can write? Un minus L less than epsilon, which gives you the condition. What is that? Limit n tends to infinity Un is equal to L. What does it mean? By definition of a limit of a sequence, we can write limit n tends to infinity Un is equal to L. Here the sequence Un converges to the point L as n tends to infinity. Okay, so how we are proving the theorem, you have to understand clearly. So statement లో ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? Sn, Tn, Un అనేవి ఏవైనా 3 సీక్వెన్సెస్ అయితే అవి ఎలా ఉండాలి? ఆ 3 సీక్వెన్సెస్ ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ Un అనే సీక్వెన్స్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ Sn అండ్ Tn, రెండు సీక్వెన్స్ మధ్యలో ఉంటే ఈ n అనేది ఏంటి? ఎనీ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్. ఇక్కడ n ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ k. Okay, and what is the second condition of the squeeze theorem? Yes, limit of Sn and limit of Tn గనక L ఉంటే limit of Un కూడా L ఉంటుంది. అది ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం? Yes, let us take the 3 sequences Sn, Tn, Un and consider that Un is a sequence lies between Sn and Tn. You take this as equation 1, and next you have to take limit of Sn is L. So by this means what? The sequence Sn converges to L. So by convergence of a sequence definition, what we can write? Yeah, we can write this as mod Sn minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m1 for an epsilon greater than 0. So ఈ mod తీసేస్తే మనం Sn ని ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Sn lies between L minus epsilon and L plus epsilon. This will be the condition 2. And next sequence Tn కూడా converges to L కాబట్టి by convergence definition ప్రకారం మనం ఈ కండిషన్ రాస్తున్నాము. So you take out mod sequence Tn lies between these two values, where here you have to fix m. M is the maximum of all these 3 natural numbers, and from the above 3 equations I can write, from these 3 inequalities we can write this condition. From this condition we can write Un lies between these two values, where which will gives you mod Un minus L less than epsilon. This nothing but limit of Un is equal to L. So finally we proved the sandwich theorem conditions. Okay.